Cannoli. The name just makes you think of Italy, doesn't it? These tube-shaped desserts are like a little taste of Sicilian sunshine. Crispy fried shells hug a sweet, creamy filling. They're a real party of flavor and texture. Cannoli come from Sicily, a beautiful Italian island. The story goes that they were first made to celebrate Carnevale, a big party before Lent. Today, people enjoy cannoli all year round. They're a symbol of Italian baking, and they're popular way beyond Italy. You can experience the fun of making these yummy treats at home too. Making cannoli is a real adventure. It's like leading a band of flavors. Before you start, get your ingredients together. You'll need 2 sets, one for the shells and one for the filling. For the crispy cannoli shells, you'll need flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt, cinnamon, white wine vinegar, and cold butter. And don't forget the oil for frying. That's what makes the dough golden brown. The creamy ricotta filling is the heart of the cannoli. Get your ricotta cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and mini chocolate chips. You can also add a little cinnamon to the filling for an extra warm taste. Okay, let's make the cannoli shells. First, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt, and cinnamon in a big bowl. Then, cut in the cold butter until it looks like coarse crumbs. Make a little well in the middle and pour in the white wine vinegar. Slowly mix the dry stuff into the vinegar until it forms a dough. Knead the dough a little, wrap it in plastic wrap, and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This lets the gluten relax so the dough is easier to roll. Once it's chilled, divide the dough into smaller pieces. Roll each piece thin on a lightly floured surface. Cut out circles using a round cutter or a glass. Wrap each circle around a cannoli tube and seal the edges with a little water. Fry the shells in hot oil until they're golden brown and bubbly. Carefully slide the shells off the tubes and let them cool completely. While the shells cool, it's time to make the ricotta filling. This part is super important for getting that perfect creamy texture. First, put the ricotta cheese in a fine mesh strainer lined with cheesecloth. Let it drain for at least 30 minutes to get rid of extra water. In another bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar and vanilla extract until it's smooth. Once the ricotta is drained, gently fold it into the powdered sugar mix. Don't mix too much, or the filling will get runny. Stir in the mini chocolate chips for little bursts of sweetness in every bite.